Hi everyone, Darren here, and today we're looking at the Wagner Inline Roller 100, or IR100 for short. Now this is a slightly different take on getting your paint onto the wall. So we have traditionally an Airless spray gun that's spraying a material that has a spray fan, and that's going onto the working surface. But in this case, I'll be showing you a tool whereby the paint is still being released using a trigger and gun at the bottom, but with the extension handle, we actually have the paint going directly into a roller system. This might be interesting for anyone that's already working with rollers, but looking for a faster, easier way for you to transfer the paint from the paint bucket onto the wall. So traditionally you would be using the roller and dipping the roller down into your paint and then applying it onto the wall. Whereas on this case, because the paint is being supplied directly onto the roller through the extension and the spray gun, this will mean that you won't have to be dipping the whole assembly down into your paint first. Now this is meant to give you about a 30% faster working efficiency, and what you'll get in the system is your 13mm width roller, and it's designed so that you won't have any fluff or other fine bits coming off the roller, so virtually lint free. You'll get the extension and you'll get the spray gun. At the end of the spray gun handle, you'll also get a hose whip which is 7.5 meters long. That's your full assembly with the Wagner Inline Roller 100. It's quite a simple and straightforward device. We particularly like it just for the fact that having to be bending over and applying paint onto the wall, that's really a chance for material to be wasted, to be getting splashed just onto the floor, or anytime you're not getting the paint as soon as possible onto the working surface, there's a chance for errors. So I think this device really simplifies the traditional rolling method, and definitely something that you'd be interested in if you maybe already have a paint sprayer and you're just looking or wanting another way to apply the paint onto the wall. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or queries, just leave in the comment section below. And if you have any more questions, you can also message us or call us, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great spray.